Everybody keeps talking about the same AI tools, ChatGPT, Midjourney, Canva AI. But what if I told you there are hidden AI tools that can literally save your hours, help you make money online, and almost nobody is talking about them? And some of these tools feel almost unfair. Stay till the end because the last tool might completely change how you work. What's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about something super interesting, the best AI tools nobody talks about. And no, I am not gonna repeat the same boring tools you have already seen in 500 YouTube videos. I spent hours researching lesser known AI tools that are actually useful for students, creators, freelancers, business owners and even complete beginners. So of this tool can save your 5 up to 10 hours every week, help you can create faster, improve your productivity and even help you earn money online. And the crazy part, most people still don't know this exists. So listen carefully because at least one of these tools is probably going to become part of the daily routine. Let's get started. First is Perplexity AI. Spelling Perplexity.ai. This is the website. Most people use AI like a chatbot, but Plexivity feels more like an AI powered search engine for the futures. Instead of giving random answers, it actually shows source, defines, and leave information from the internet. This is important because normal AI something gives outdated information, but flexibility is amazing for research, homework, business ideas, script writing, learning new skills, fact checking. For example, imagine you want to start a faceless YouTube channel about finance. You can literally ask what are the fastest growing finance niche is the US right now, and it will give detailed answer with source. That saves hour of research. A lot of creators are secretly using tools like this make content faster and beginners don't even realize it. Our second number tool is 11 Labs, 11labs.io. This tool is honestly insane. It creates ultra realistic AI voice, and I am not talking about robotic voices from 2018. I mean voices that sound almost human. This is one of the best tools for YouTube automation, audiobooks, broadcast, storytelling channels, faceless content. Most people think you need expensive microphones and studio setups. Not anymore. You can literally type text and generate professional voiceover in minutes. And here's where it gets interesting. Some small creators are using AI voiceovers to build channels that make anywhere from $100 to $7,000 per month through ads and affiliate marketing. Not overnight, obviously, but over time, absolutely possible. And the scary part is, most viewers cannot even tell the voice is AI anymore. Our third number is Gamma. Nobody mentioned Gamma.app. Gamma. Gamma. This tool can create personality, documents, and slide decks using AI. Imagine you need a school presentation, a business pitch, a silent proposal, or even a content strategy. Instead of spending 4 hours designing slides, you type one prompt and Gamma builds an entire presentation for you. Clean design, good strategy, professional formatting done. This is especially useful for freelancers because clients love fast delivery. If you can deliver better presentation in less time, you instantly become more valuable, and value equals money. That's something most people don't understand. Our fourth number is Opus Clip. OPUS Clip. Okay, this next is Opus.pro. Listen carefully. This tool can turn long videos into viral short clips automatically. That's mean TikTok clips, YouTube shorts, Instagram reels without manually editing everything. This is important because short form content is dominating social media right now. A lot of creators fail because they don't post consistently. Editing talks too long, and Opus Clip uses AI to find interesting moments, emotional moments, viral hooks, subtitles, even packing, or even automatically you can suggest. Imagine uploading one 20 minutes video and getting 15 short clips from it. That's a massive time saver. Some creators are even using this to grow multiplication platforms at once. And growth means more opportunities, sponsorship, brand deals, even appreciate marketing. add revenues. Fifth number app is Durable AI. Now this one shocked me. Durable.co. This AI can generate an entire business websites in under a minute. Seriously, you type your business type like photography, fitness coach, online store, cleaning business, and it creates the website, design, text, content forms, layout automatically. Most people still think building a website is complicated, but tools like this are changing everything. And here's the opportunity most people miss. Small business consistently need websites. Even basic websites can sell for 100, 300, sometimes even $1,000 plus, especially if you combine AI tools together. You don't need to be a coding genius anymore. That's the crazy part. Our sixth number is Notion AI. Now, Notion AI itself is already popular, but most people barely use the AI features, and that's a huge mistake. Notion AI can help with organizing ideas, summarizing notes, writing content, planning projects, brainstorming business ideas. Here's a real example. Imagine you have 20 messy ideas for YouTube videos. You dump them into Notion AI and it organizes them into content plans, posting schedules, script outlines, title ideas. That insanely useful, especially for creators who feel overwhelmed. Because honestly, one of the biggest problems today is not lack of information, it's information overload. Too many tabs, too many ideas, too much distraction. Tools like this help simplicity everything. Our seventh number is Runway. RunwayML.com is useful for AI for video editing and AI video generation. And some of the features are mind blowing. You can remove backgrounds, generate videos, create cinematic effects, edit faster with AI without being a professional editor. Now listen carefully. AI videos tools are improving fast, like really fast, and early adopts using Win Big. Remember when people ignored YouTube Shorts at first? Now creators are getting millions of views from them. Same thing could happen with AI video creation. That's why learning these AI tools are can give you a huge advantage. Now here's the part most people don't think about. The real opportunity is not just using AI tools. It combines them. For example, use Perplexity for research, use ChatGPT for scripts, use 11 Labs for voiceovers, use Runway for editing, use Opus Clip for shorts. That's basically an entire content. Business powerful by AI, and business are already paying people for these skills. A beginner who understands AI workflows can something outperform people with years of traditional experience. That's the shift happening right now, and most people are sleeping on it. So our next is I can talk about information reality check. Now I can talk the information. It is real or fake. Now I want to be honest about something. AI tools are powerful, but they are not magic money machines. A lot of people online make fake promises like use this AI tool and make $10,000 tomorrow. That's nonsense. AI is more like a multiplication. If you learn communication, creativity, consistency, problem solving, AI can make you faster and more effective. But you still need effort. You still need patience and you still need to provide value. That's the truth nobody wants to say. So yeah, I can talk about this of the some best AI tools nobody talks about enough. And honestly, we are still early in the AI area. The people learning these tools right now, you are probably going to have a huge advantage over the next few years because AI is not replacing people. People using AI are replacing people who refuse to learn it. That sentence is important. So if you found this video useful, comment below AI future and tell me which tool surprised you the most. Also subscribe to the channel because I am going to be posting more videos about AI tools, online business ideas, content creation and making money online realistic. Drop a like if this helped you and I will see you in the next video.